All right, this is the car show here at the Raton Pass Motor Inn, Raton, New Mexico. I did a video of this beautiful Dodge Pioneer. Look at that front end. Just so beautiful. There's a Dodge Charger over here. There's a 1942 Chevy. The guy was telling me that he got the car in the early 60s and it was his first car out of high school in like 1960. So and he's held on to it. There's I think this is a 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire. Actually it might be a 66. I'm not sure, but it's a beautiful car. '58 Chevy Impala. This one is well restored here. Let me show you the beautiful upholstery. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. My gosh. That is spotless. You got the wraparound window that was kind of common for the 1950s. So there's a purple truck here that I did a walk around video of, but this is a nice truck here. So very pretty truck. It's a 1955 Chevy. So I've driven past this motel, I mean at least maybe 100 times, and you know, I've seen one or two old cars out front and I took notice, but it's kind of neat that they have a little car show going on. So the Colorado state line is just 6 miles north from here. So, oh, and look at this. The Raton Pass Motor Inn is now hiring. So you could work here. New Mexico is a nice state to live in. I'm a Coloradan, but New Mexico is like a cousin to me. So, got some pretty mountains in the background there. This is my favorite car in this whole show here. It's like you got these paperclip fins. They're just so pretty. It's like a big U or a paperclip. So good times. So real grateful for this car show. And let me just show you one more. Oh, okay, this guy's got a bicycle. This is so cool. Love your bicycle. I was talking to him earlier. He made it. He made that himself. So love the sombrero and the pillow. That is so cool. If I bike across America a 4th time, should I ride in that? What do you think? And then I just want to acknowledge this beautiful Ford Fairlane. Early, I think it's like a 60, I don't know what, 62 or 63. Could even be a 64, I'm not sure. But this car is always sitting out front here. So it must be the owners of the motel must own this, but beautiful car. So there you have it. Nice car show. Good times here.